Get some water. I have some cold water in the fridge. Yep, it is about time. You have plenty of time to never in the tree to do that. Plenty of time. Finish what? No, I didn't hear him ask you that. Eddie, you want CJ to finish the
You dancing? Dance.
Eddie gave me the can cake.
Yes, he did. How nice.
Thank you, Eddie. Yeah. Look at the can cake.
All right, it's in there.
Where can you?
Don't let the baby get it.
Hello. Oh yeah.
in the fridge.
All right, get back. You're too close. You're too close, honey.
Can you see my eye?
I can see your eye, yes. Okay.
Let's do it. What does my eye look like?
All right, let's see it.